1, go. Robots dropping to the field. All 4 robots now here on the surface, and it's 648. Jankbot moves towards their crater. That looks like it'll probably count as parking. Of course, our referee's making the final call there. Both Skid and their alliance partners, the Chickenados, in the vicinity of the blue depot, and that depot looks like it will be completely claimed. Minerals cannot be descored from the blue depot. Human operators now controlling their machines and everybody heading towards the craters. 12877, Amelia's Alicorns drops their team marker to the field. Doesn't do them any good at this point. Now they're going to go off in search of some scoring pieces. Skid drops 2 gold minerals into the blue-gold cargo hold. That's 10 points on the board. Chickenado's right behind them with 2 silver minerals. They're going to try to add to that blue scoring total. Here comes Skid, 2 more, but just outside as the Chickenados lose control of their minerals, and the score remains where it's at. About 1 minute and 20 seconds now to play. Jankbot heading in the vicinity of their depot. Minerals in the depot worth 2 points each regardless of color. And Jankbot, just like that, puts 2, make it 4 points on the board for the Red Alliance. Coming up on 1 minute now to play, Amelia's Alicorns headed back in the vicinity of the lander. They may just be getting into position to latch at the end of the game. That's 50 points, and that would be huge, regardless of any other contributions they may make. 50 seconds now to play, and the minerals continue to drop into the gold cargo hold for the Blue Alliance, courtesy of Team 417.
Good morning, FF Cat!
There's 1 more gold mineral in there from the Chickenados, and the Blue Alliance looks to be in great shape as we approach our endgame period. 30 seconds now, the endgame has begun. Jankbot putting minerals in the red depot. Amelia's Alicorns over here in the crater. Parking in that crater fully would be worth 25 points if they're there at the end of the match. Jankbot heads over to the lander to latch. So do both Blue Alliance robots. And with 10 seconds remaining, 2 of the 3 off the surface. 5 seconds now. Chickenados starting to climb. 3, 2, 1. And Chickenados look to be just off the surface for those 50 big points. You see our referees making the final determination. We'll get you those scores shortly. Meanwhile, it's back to Josh on field number 1.
All right, we're over here on field number 1. We just finished up match 5 scores for you. That was the last match played here on this left field. 281 points to red, 222 to blue. So that will be Consistency and Hoctobots up over Tesseract and the Electric Sheep. Quick reminder before we go into qualification match number 7. We're going to be running 9 qualification matches in total before lunch. So that means 2 more matches over here on field 1 and 1 more match over there with Brett before we will break for lunch. I think that does mean we're shortening up our lunch break just a little bit, but it's fine. Everything's fine. All right, we'll get ready for qualification match number 7 now. Field number 1. We got a Red Alliance.